Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. If you want to find your recently watched videos on Facebook, it's actually pretty simple. First, go to the videos or reels section in the app. Up at the top right, there's a search or magnifying glass icon. Tap that. Once you're in, look for a button that says See All near your recently watched reels or videos. Tap it, and you'll get a list of all the videos you've watched lately. If you want to be even more specific, you can also check your activity log in your settings menu. There you can see videos you've linked or interacted with, which can help you track down a particular clip or reel. So whether it's a reel you laughed at or a tutorial you wanted to revisit, these steps will get you back to it quickly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.